What's good, Wealth Builders? I got a different video for you guys today. I want y'all to check out this situation that happened in the news of the day, man. It's so crazy. Dude won $30,000 in the lottery, end up buying a $20,000 chain, and get robbed for it. Like, gotta do better. So with that being said, check out this and then check the news clip out, the video, and then we're gonna discuss how and why we got to do better. All right, so check it out.
Say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's a basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.
Vicious attack at a West Side gas station.
Thieves target a man because of the gold chain he was wearing. Tonight he's talking with our Tim Pamplin, who joins us from the scene with the night cam. Tim.
It was a typical afternoon here at this West Warren gas station in Detroit near Grand Boulevard. Customers coming in, filling up with gas, buying lottery tickets. It was a favorite spot for our victim, Jamal. Customer walks in, shakes his hand, a couple more customers behind. The guy in the black. Pay close attention to him. And his buddy right behind. They're looking for some easy pickings. And Jamal is their target. I hit the lottery. Jamal won $30,000 on the Michigan lottery. Bought himself a $20,000 necklace. You see, he's wearing it there. He's heard of people getting robbed for their jewelry.
Yeah, it's a thing. So I was just looking around, making sure nobody ain't trying to get my chain.
But they did get his chain. He walks out the store. The suspects were waiting.
So I ran back and tried to get back into the gas station. They had grabbed me, tackled me down.
A particularly vicious attack, punching him, kicking him, getting him to the ground, ripping off his gold.
They took off running and jumped in their car and took off down Warren.
The gas station owner says he recognized that tall guy in that black top. A few months back, he was in the store. There he is in the white hoodie this time. And his MO was exactly the same. Scope out somebody with some jewels. Here, this man walking towards the store, grabs his necklace and runs away. Investigators believe he lives in the area. They're asking anybody who knows who he is to please give them a call.
All right, so I hope you check that out. I hope you understand, like, for real, like, it doesn't make any sense. This is what's wrong with the community, the black community. This is why we cannot progress. This is why we are struggling to build wealth. Okay? Build wealth, build back better, build our black communities back, build anything, because we don't understand the power that we hold in our hands when it comes to money. We don't understand the power that we hold in our hands when it comes to actually taking our money and investing it. If we all understood the power that we have and start building the black wealth, start building back our communities, investing in our communities instead of moving out of our communities, investing in our lifestyle, investing in our kids, you know what I'm saying? Our race would definitely move so far ahead, we'd be unstoppable. Because with the power of internet, you can't stop it. That's what I believe. You can't stop us from investing in things, but they know that we won't. They know that the majority of black people are gonna buy things. We are absolutely the ones that push the economy forward. We take our money and buy stuff instead of investing in stuff. Yes, I'm not saying there's anything wrong with buying a gold chain. I have a gold chain on. Buying a watch. There's nothing wrong with buying stuff. But you should also be investing your money at the same time. And there's no way you can tell me from watching that video, you think this man, nothing against him, but you think this man took the 10 grand, it wasn't even 10 grand left. Honestly, because if you get 30K and if it's straight up 30K, you're gonna get hit with taxes. Okay, so honestly, he probably got back about $22,000 to $27,000 in his hand. So he spent 20 grand on a necklace and only had anywhere between $2,000 to $7,000 in his hand at that point. Come on, man. Come on. You'd have been better off buying a car. A chain? Like, in my opinion, this is my opinion, he disrespected his whole family by doing that. He disrespected his lineage by taking that money and buying a chain. He could have took that money and invested and did something that made that money make money. And then he could have started and he could have broke the cycle of poverty in his community or his family. Just by taking those winnings and doing something smart with them. Even if he took 15 grand and invested it and then took the rest and bought a chain, I would have felt better. I would have felt better. I would have felt better about him getting robbed. Right? Like, it doesn't make sense. In no shape, form, any way. Yeah, it wasn't right that he got robbed. Yes, that's a whole nother conversation about those people that robbed him. But you put yourself in the situation of being able to get robbed by not thinking to yourself, I heard about people stealing chains. Why would I go buy a chain in this neighborhood and have to wear it out? Because a chain is no good if you got it in the house, right? Just, guys, think, man, think. Please. With that being said, thanks for watching. Thanks for being a subscriber. Thanks for being a wealth builder. Please check out the link in the description. Get your free guide to passive income. The link is in the description. Until next time, wealth builders, do remember, make more, save more, build more. Peace.
Say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.